Hey everyone, today's video I am going to show you how you can create a complete presentation using AI in just a minute. First of all, open your browser and search for Gamma AI. This is the official website of Gamma AI. Just click to open it. This is the main web interface of Gamma. First of all, log in with your email address. But if you don't have any account on this site, then sign up first. Write your email address here. Click on continue. Now go to your mailbox for confirm your email address. Here write your name, language and password. Then click on continue. Select your plan and others. Now this is the main part of make presentation. Just click on generate. Select what would you like to create. Here you see some options are here: presentation, web page, document, social or graphic. We want to create presentation, so select the presentation option. Then select how many card you want on your presentation. Card means how many slide you want. Maximum 10 slide you can make for free, but if you want more than 10 page, then you have to buy their subscription package maybe. Then select slide style, classic or studio. Studio is only for paid here, so you can select the classic style. Then select the slide size, or you can keep it as default. Then select presentation language. Now here described what type of presentation and which topic you want. Then click on generate outline and wait until complete. Generating your presentation is here. Now it's completed. Now you can present it directly from here, or you can also download it. For download, just click on share, then click on export and select for export type. I want to export it as a PowerPoint file, so I have to just click on it. Now the presentation download is completed. Now I am opening from file to show you that this is the complete presentation of 10 pages. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.